తెలంగాణ చీఫ్ ఎలక్షన్ కమిషనర్ వికాస్ రాజ్ మీడియాను అడ్రస్ చేస్తున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
On which the receiver of such SMS can forward the said SMS so that action can be taken on the people who are sending such objectionable SMSs. The Commission has laid down the following lot of guidelines tonight. I am not going to go through all those guidelines. Has laid down guidelines to be observed in the manner of election-related campaign by organizers and persons other than పొలిటికల్ పార్టీస్ అండ్ క్యాండిడేట్స్. అంటే ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ పొలిటికల్ పార్టీస్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ చేస్తారు, కానీ వేరే వాళ్ళు కూడా వాళ్ళ కోసం చేయాలంటే దానికి కూడా గైడ్ లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అందుకని అది చూసుకొని ఎవరైనా చేస్తారంటే చేయండి దయచేసి, నేను వాళ్ళకు కోరేది ఇది. తర్వాత ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ డీటెయిల్డ్ గైడ్ లైన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఆన్ what vehicles are to be used, what should not be used. As I said, MCC is a vast subject. I am not going into full details of that. Some important parts I had talked about. Coming to pre-certification of political advertisements and monitoring of the paid news, MCC, as I said, MCMC are in place already at district and state level. All political advertisements proposed to be issued on electronic media shall require pre-certification from the concerned MCMC. Political advertisement in all electronic media, TV channels, cable networks, radio including private FM channels, cinema halls, audio-visual display in public places, voice messages, bulk SMS over phone and social media and internet websites shall come within the purview of pre-certification. So Commission requests all political parties, candidates, media to follow pre-certification instructions. Social media by definition falls under the category of electronic media, just a clarification. Thus all political advertisement on social media also falls under the purview of pre-certification. Okay, all right. Yeah, this is a clarification that was that has been there for quite some time, but there was some lack of clarity on this. As per the provisions contained in Commission's letter dated so and so, political advertisements issued in e-papers of any newspaper shall invariably require pre-certification by the concerned committee. So almost every paper nowadays has a e-paper component, therefore almost everything gets covered in that. So just a clarification in that regard. Of course, you are aware that MLC election from Mahbubnagar local authorities constituency also has been notified. So that process is going on. The returning officer for that is District Collector Mahbubnagar. There are 1439 voters for that, and 10 polling stations are there. So preparations are on for that. We will be going as per the schedule. The returning officer for Secunderabad by-election constituency is going to be CEO Secunderabad. 251,000 approximately voters are there. Of course, continuous updation is going on, so we will have the exact number after the last date. There will be about 111 polling station locations for that, and 232 polling stations. Okay, this is all from my side.